Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Follow this tutorial will help you fix audio problem with Davinci Resolve 16. When importing audio file, or video file with audio into Davinci Resolve 16, your audio disappears for no reason. You can easily bring it back with just few mouse clicks. Go to up left corner menu. Select Preferences. Select Video and Audio and /out. At this speaker configuration, select Manual. At this Output tab, select System Speakers for both left and right. Click Save to finish. Now you can get back your audio as normally. Being noticed that you don't have to configure this settings when opening Davinci Resolve next time. That's the end of my tutorial. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next tutorials. Bye for now.